Okay, we're gonna speed run this just because I have to be at work in the morning. Okay, just this is task, or this is assignment for task 1. This is just creating the server and the client. I set up the client. We're using JSON as our, or putting on the wire as our protocol. And as you can see, for both of the server and the client, any of the JSON objects that I needed to create or messages, I used methods and then a switch statement right here. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Same with this one. This one is not threaded. It just has the do perform over here, and it just accepts the request. It's task 1 when grade ruddle. So let's go ahead and run that server. And you can see it built successfully. It's compiling and it's running. Let's go ahead and run the client for that as well. You can see that it's accepted. It's got it, and it prints the menu. Let's go ahead and just add a string to show you it works. Hello. Awesome sauce. You can see that it starts its ad, it ends its ad, and then that's what it received, that JSON object. Let's go ahead and display just to show that it works. Fantastic. It shows right here. We've got display hello. And it shows that that's what we called display. Let's go ahead and search. We're going to search for hello. Awesome sauce. Here you go. The search hello is selected. It's on data 0. It's just in that data just means that it's in that's the first element in that array, so it's in index 0. If we added more, the indexes would change. They'd just be one off from what we would normally think. Let's go ahead and reverse that string from index 0. There we go. There's hello backwards. Awesome. So you see that works. So let's go ahead and quit this. 0. Awesome. There you go. Look, quits out. Server's still running. Still ready to accept another client. Okay, let's go ahead and quit this. Control. Awesome sauce. Okay. Let's do the same thing, but we will run task 2. Okay. Here's our new server. This one is a threaded that accepts as many of them, and I did not have it forethought, so we will go ahead and get another one of these set up. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead and run a client. And you'll see that thread 1 is running. It has a client. Let's go look at this right here. So I've numbered them just to make it easier, and but you can see it runs. Let's run our client again. So we've got 2 clients running. Fantastic, accepts thread 2, and then just so that you can see, let's add a string. Oh, sorry, it's thread 2. Hello from thread 2. You can see it goes in there, it's added, and they all share this. So let's go ahead and display. You can see hello from thread 2. So it takes multiple, and it actually is unbounded, so we could add as many instances as we wanted. And let's go ahead and stop that. Oh, let's go ahead and quit. And you can still see the server still runs. It says it closes from client 2. Closes from client 1. Okay. Last but not least, let's do task 3. This server is bounded. Oh, did I? My Gradle file. Make sure I got that Gradle file going. Okay. I must have spelled something wrong. Okay, let's go. We got our task 3 going. This one is exactly the same as the first, but it is bounded. I went ahead and set the bounded value, let me look at my Gradle file, to 5. So what happens after, so it's exactly the same way. It'll accept clients. Same thing, but when we get to 5, it just holds off. It just waits until another client leaves, and then it runs that 5th thread. And I'm not going to do that because, yeah, I mean, you guys can look at it, but I gotta go to bed soon. And this video is already 6 minutes.